guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glow silhouette on CapCut PC. So select your video like so and copy and paste it, and on the second video go to cutout and select auto cutout. Then you are going to go to effects and search for edge glow, and you're going to add it like to the background only and not the overlay. You can adjust how like glow you want it to be. Then you're just going to search for the angel filter, the effect, and you're going to add that as well to that. You can also adjust the strength if it's too much. And that's it, super simple. Now you have a very nice silhouette glow. If you do put it like on top, it's too much, but it's like nice if you just put it on the silhouette, I guess. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!